Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can uh, edit your videos on Windows. So if you already know, the GoPro Quik app is not available for a Windows at the moment, but we can use two different things I will show you. So first one is GoPro Player. Type into the Google, and here what you can do with that is allows you to play, trim, and export footage. It also includes Hyper Smooth Pro stabilization for certain subscribers. You can download this from Microsoft Store or Mac App Store. Then the second thing is right here, GoPro Reframe, which is basically a plugin for Adobe Premiere Pro and After Effects. Also, it's available for DaVinci Resolve if you are using that uh, application for video editing. And here you can do more advanced editing of your GoPro footage. So if you are more advanced video editor, you can use that GoPro Reframe plugin. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.